It's not high enough.
Let's go! Oh! Hold on, my turn.
Bree, no, you gotta do it to me backwards again. Oh my god, look at the couch.
I know.
Bree, we gotta pull it out farther.
No, we don't. Let's just.
Yeah, because it always hits the thing.
Move the chair.
I can't move it. Ow! Bree. What's that for?
I'm gonna jump over the couch. Watch this.
Oh no.
Insane.
Oh great. I'm hiding. Whoa! Woo! Now look at that cat. Whoa! Jeez. Okay. Did you see that?
Oh, don't move that. Dude, underneath that couch is so dirty.
Oh, Jesus.
I can see your undies.
Yeah!